If you feel like a DJ, then this video is for you, because we are going to show you how to work on the audio. Let's go. So on the track I have a video clip and I have a music clip, but with the music clip selected I don't see the options that I need to work on this, right? So we need to click here and then the options start to appear. So we've got voice isolation, dialogue leveler, but we're looking for the music remixer. If we activate that, we get a couple of options: voice, drums, bass, other and guitar. Now this track originally has a voice in it. And now I want to get rid of that voice, so I'm going to click mute voice and let's play it again. So now the voice is gone. I can do the same thing for the drums, or both of them actually. And then you can move these sliders around to play with it even more. So this is a great way to make a music track your own and have it suit the video clip that you're working on.